check. You guys cleared the money. You cleared it. There's like, yeah, we cleared it at the time, but we didn't know it was we didn't know he didn't have the money. If you knew he didn't have the money, why did you put the check in? I was like, no, there's a difference. I knew he had the money. He gave me a check, right? And you guys held it to make sure it cleared. It cleared. You guys gave me the money. The reasons why you hold the money is to make sure it clears first. Like, yeah, it cleared. What's the problem? Well, we got back and it didn't come through. That's not my fault. Is it my fault? Okay. So they charged me $500 anyway. I said, fine, whatever. What baby talking to me yet? I said, fine, whatever, do what you want. That was 20 years ago. I can go back to Canada Trust today and get a bank account. So what's the difference between you and me? I know it is. I tried. You keep on going back to the same bank. There's other banks. There's even credit unions. You have not used any of those, have you? You haven't used any of them. You haven't gone back to another bank recently, like this year or last year. Have you got an account? Why did you close it? Why didn't you call the bank? Why didn't you call your the government to transfer your funds? Well, they're the one issuing you the money.
The rise of mass casualty events is a growing worry and strain for our society here in America, but also all abroad. But what about those who have the task of saving lives, helping us heal? It is forcing emergency room nurses, doctors, and trauma surgeons to prepare for the unimaginable. To discuss this topic, we're joined by Dr. Megan Rainey, Associate Professor at the Department of Emergency Medicine at Brown University. Thank you so much for joining us, Doctor. My pleasure. Okay, in the President's State today, how ready are U.S. hospitals for mass casualty events like a mass shooting, a terror attack, a chemical spill, or even a natural disaster?
Gosh, we prepare for this constantly. Emergency physicians, trauma surgeons, nurses.
It's just stupid fucking people, man. Trump Bible blasphemy.